What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it for another video. And this video is number 7 of our 12 days of slay. And in today's video, we're gonna do us a Christmas beat right around that time so that y'all can get cute and made up for the Christmas spirit. So if y'all ready to get this video on the road, I'm ready to get this video on the road. Let's go ahead and just get right into it. Brows are on and I don't completely hate them, but we need to snap this light into place. I don't know if that was in sync, but just like that, we back at it. About to put some NYX Proof It on these eyelids. And rub it up. For our eyes, we're gonna go in with our Moderate Matte palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm going in with an E126 brush to put that all in my crease. I'm gonna go in with this green shade right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease, and I think that this is gonna allow me to know what shade I want to use next, and if I want to keep it like this or if I want to do something else. Now, we are going to take an AOA Studios E125 brush, and we're going to go in with this shade right here. Because my jacket is a little bit more muted, I'm going to go in with this brown shade next to it, the other shade that we use, and I'm going to mix that and just add it on top. I'm going back in with that BH Cosmetics brush, and we're going to do these edges up and just darken them just a little bit. I'm saying a little bit. No, you're going to darken them a lot of bit. And we're going to go back in with that brush that had that gray shade on it, and we're just going to blend this out. I'm not really adding any more of the gray shade. I'm just blending it out. Then whatever colors kind of mix together, mesh together, and mix together. I'm taking an E115 brush from AOA Studios and that dark brown shade, and we're going to, I said dark brown, we're going to take that dark green shade, and we are going to create a wing liner. I'm going to go in and blend this line out because this is not supposed to be a straight line. More definitely it's supposed to be like smoky. And if the liner isn't giving you smoky vibes, you need to do more smoky liner. That is the most important thing of this look. I really like this look. I just need to go in with a little bit more of this green up here because I feel like I'm taking a makeup wipe to wipe off all of that dark eyeshadow from my under eyes because we have quite a bit. And now we're gonna go in to our face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer in F. Did I literally just do that like a dummy? Yep. Did all that work, and I just deleted it. Just press delete right there. I mean, I didn't press delete too bad. Let me go ahead and take some of that off because that actually fixed a lot of this problem right here that I had with this side. So I'm gonna take my AOA Studios F6 brush, and this is a stippling brush to blend this shade out. And I know sometimes my shades look at that. What did I just do again? Don't even pay no attention to all the work I'll be putting right here because I just go in and decide to like snatch off half of that wing. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Same concealer we use on our face, but instead of using D18, we're going to use G15. I'm gonna go back with just a tiny bit of this D15 right here to really clean up under my eyes and get as close as I can to that lash line, because I really want that I don't want any darkness right there. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna set our face using our Milani powder. And we're going to use an AOA Studios F32 brush to set this. And to conceal under our eyes, I didn't tell y'all what I used, but I used my F19 brush that I usually use. And so I'm going to add a little bit to bake with, not too much, but just a little bit to bake with while we do the rest of our face. And so while we're doing that, we're going to bronze. Yes, we're bronzing in the winter time. I'm going to take my Black Radiance palette and I'm going to use this Sculpt shade with my AOA Studios F20 brush, which is what I usually use for bronzer if I don't say it. For blush, we're going to take our Real Techniques Multitask brush and we're going to take this shade right here, which is Abby, from the Sahara blush palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And I'm going to try to stay more towards the back when I do this, because I like this shade. I think that it's a really pretty, nice, beautiful shade. But I like when my blush is more on the back edge of my face than on the front. And use a light hand with this. This is one of my favorite palettes for us girls with darker skin tones, because it's very rare that I am ever scared of piling on too much blush unless it's like red. And with red blush, you're more scared of looking like a clown than you are of like, oh, this blush is gonna be so pigmented, or this blush might be too dark. I've never thought that about a blush. And so I got this blush palette and I'll be using this for contour and bronzer sometimes. So yeah, this is a good blush palette for us darker skin tone women. If you don't stand Juvia's Place, like I always say, I understand. If you have blushes for us darker skin girls that work better, please put them down below. Let me know. So for our lips, I'm going in with Scarlet Night. These are like the e.l.f. matte lipsticks. I really love these. Has a really great formula. So if you were ever interested in getting these, I would buy them. And the center of our lips, we're going to take the Nika K lipstick in the shade Ruby Red. This is a $1 lipstick. So this look is pretty affordable. I used literally all drugstore products to achieve everything so far. Even the brushes I use are drugstore and affordable. For highlight, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution blush palette, which looks like this. And I think I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to highlight with it. And now I'm going to go to my E123 brush, and I'm going to put that same highlight in my inner corner. We gotta put on our eyelashes, and then we're done with this look right here. What's up, Tater Tots? I am back. The lashes are on. Lips are luscious. We have this lovely blend going on of our green and red. Very Christmas themed. And I just gave y'all the rest of the look. Now, before you leave, make sure you comment down below what is one of your favorite videos from this series. We are on day 7, so we are almost done. So I would love to hear what has been your favorite look or your favorite just video topic so far. Next thing I want you to do is go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, okay? Because I made sure I came back, re-recorded, and gave y'all a look that was actually worth going to see, okay? Next thing I need you to do is go ahead and share this video so that we can get more people into this potato family. Because y'all know we getting a little bigger. We hit that big 5-0 a little while ago. So we trying to get more and more people, okay? And last but not least, now you know what you have to do, right? You already know. You gotta subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl, so you can grow with your girl, so you can grow with your girl, break it down, break it down, It is 2:55 in the morning. I started filming at like 1 something. So yeah, it is really late and it is really time for me to go to bed. But I'm going to put on these lashes before I go to sleep. That's just something that's going to happen.